Magnet family are good here. Out Easter Sunday. There's Mark, Finn and Log. And we're at another new location. There's a few bridges heading down that way. There's a manky old trolley in there already. We spotted that. But we're waiting on two mystery guests coming today. So Finn's already in, as you can see. Dabbing the sides. Mark's getting ready and all. Wog's just chilling, getting his gloves on. And that's us. There he goes. Right over again. Oh, I don't know. But, oh, Finn's first find. A bit off, it's just a bit off an old bike and things. And
little badge.
Oh, he's got a little pin badge. Let Dad do it. He's got a little pin badge. And he's got 8 pence on there, or 8p. And a few other bits and bobs. I'll help. Oh, there's a 5p. There you go, look at that. On his first cast in. So I'll help him scrape that off. And oh, I'll help him scrape that off in a minute. Yeah. That's first thing. A little pole. There you go.
Wee monkey pole.
Yeah, keep watching. Finley's on summon, so Mark's giving him a little bit of a hand. Up. Up. Hey. One open safe. There you go, Finn's find. Finn found it and Mark's helped him.
The side mechanism.
Yeah. The electric. A good find, little diddly cracker. Look at that, look at the smile on his face. There's Mark. Helps him out every time. There's Log up there. Over the little dabble. Was that at the side?
Yeah.
That was at the side as well. So keep watching and here's one of the first things. Something else. Oh,
That was not.
oh, that wasn't it.
Jersey Canal there, though.
Yeah. He wasn't something else. We'll have a look and come back to him in a minute. We'll come back to him. Maybe his next find. A little bloody radio. Would you look at that? He's getting lucky today. One safe, one radio. The lads are trying to get something over there. Keep on. First find. A little garden fork. Pop in the yellow bucket then, mate. There he is. There's Log. There's Log's next find. A good size crowbar. There he is. Wicked. It's another one for the... It's a little bit of an old-fashioned tin car. Finn pulled out. Mark's just pulled a Scout's badge out. With another bracket.
Scout group, 1988.
1988 Scout group. What's he got now? What the freaking hell is that? Oh, it's a shock absorber. There he is. I thought it was a freaking bomb. With the first shotgun cartridge.
Follows one.
12 gauge, I think. Yeah, temper in the yellow bucket, mamma. Pulled them out. I am another 2 shotgun cartridges and a few bits. I am videoing as well as magnet fishing, but I'm going to give him my magnet in a bit and I'll just video. But there you go, that's 3 shotgun shells.
Daddy Ernie's on something. Oh.
Adele.
Computer monitor.
Close, baby. Shotgun cartridges, Dell computer, a Babyless hair shaver in there. A Babyless hair shaver. You want to show them the other stuff that's just on the other side of the fridge?
And then here we have some other things. Got a door handle, we've got handlebars, wheel frame and a manhole cover again.
Got it, Finn? You never know. It's really heavy.
What is it?
With a look, see it. Hold on. That see.
What is it?
That should just be one of them.
Looks like something out of an office.
One of them bins, isn't it? Inside your bin.
Possibly. Two shotgun shells. Something. Just a bit of scaffolding in this.
Yeah, quite heavy.
And a little bit of jewellery. This is on something. Oh, cash box.
Typical. Empty.
Blue empty cash box. Dad's on something.
Don't come on.
Looks like a safe door.
Nah, but that's a bit of a fire chimney or something.
Bit of a fireplace.
Yeah, bit of a fireplace, that is, because you can see the
Pattern on the top.
little pattern. Throwing my magnet. Got one of them hole things in a metal bar. Keep watching. There's Mark up there sunbathing. Fire. Look at that. Another shotgun cartridge. Well, what's his dad? Take it off, you lad. You keep going. Same spot again. Keep watching. Remember, where the ropes are going in, there's a huge safe. Oh, there you go. Finn's just pulled out. Another pole and someone else. There we have. I guess they've arrived. Tracie and her husband, there they are. They're going to get set up and then they're going to see how they can flex their muscles on this big safe. Oh, it's the one. There's Logan, Mark and all.
Another two shotgun cartridges. Well done, man. One's on the joint side. And his 3 shotgun cartridges. Go on, Finley. Just found 3 knives in the bag.
2, 3, 4 knives.
4 knives.
And one's a flick knife, an old-fashioned flick knife.
And one's a butterfly
One's a
knife.
butterfly knife. One's a lock knife. And he is beating Mark. Oh, that one's no good, that little bit. There you go.
Stick it in the light.
4 knives. He is so jammy. He's on fire smoking.
I don't think it's jammy.
Right, I'll try.
Just washed and opened up Finley's 4 knives.
It was a bag, and they were all wrapped up in a bag.
Bag of 4 knives. Like and subscribe and keep
One's
watching.
an old-fashioned flick knife as well.
Yeah.
And diddly. And all 3 shotgun cartridges.
I think that's his 9 now.
There's all his shotgun cartridges, his knives, his little bit of Stanley plate. The big safe is stuck to there. Oh, look what Mark's just pulled out. He's got a long way to go to catch up with Finn. Go on.
You have a long way to catch up with me.
Magnetic Rambo is starting to make a comeback. Look at that. There you go. Another nice find.
Hunting knife, innit?
Yes. Magnetic Finley with another shotgun cartridge. Right, remember, get a good clean before you
Everyone's
get
not
the
on
wang
my
in.
page.
Hey?
Everyone's not on my page.
I know. Finn's on fire, another one. And that's a nice little spinner thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Another one to the collection for Mr. Lee Horton. There he is.
Go, Lee.
On behalf of Mark.
Rambo.
But Magnetic Rambo, he can call himself that there again. Yeah, he's got a long way to beat you today, we know, Shorty. Pulled that out. Looks like an old fashioned grease gun. Yeah. Handle's about to come off though, but it's another one to come back with us. Keep watching. Oh. Vince just pulled that out. Jesus. Hey, pop it over there. That's an old oil can, that is.
What is it, a grease gun?
Nice find. Nice. There he is. Smug little git. Guess what he's got? Another cartridge. Did that take it off, good lad?
I'm counting how many I've got.
Right.
Is that all on?
You put them all out there then. Just be careful with Mark's knives. He's gonna...
Are these all my shotgun cartridges?
Yes. Vince just get these shotgun cartridges. That ain't them all. We've got more.
But in the car.
More in the car. Come on then, mate. Because I ain't got long with me battery and looks like we're going to be here for a while.
No, this is oh, one more.
And one more.
Fucking get the thing.
How many you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 shotgun cartridges. There they are. Right, watch your fingers. 12 shotgun cartridges. There. 4 knives from this side of the bridge. And he didn't want to come this side, did you?
No, but now I do.
Yep, there he does. Right, keep watching. I'll put them back. That smile, that only means one thing. 3 shotgun cartridges in an old-fashioned purse this time.
Yeah.
Right. Let's have a look at the old purse. Yeah, don't break it though. That is a really old purse, that one. Really, really old. Right. That's all his cartridges there. So, there he is. Keep watching and see you in a bit. Another 2 shotgun cartridges for the collection. Right, in the bucket, Mama. Carefully, that's it.
And all of them shotgun cartridges are mine.
I know. It only means one thing with a smile like that. 2 up again. More shotgun cartridges. Keep on. Mark's just pulled out a gauge for a motorbike. And his lordship, another cartridge for the collection. Ooh, nice.
Victory.
Thought he'd be a bit clever today, and he's made a homemade fishing rod. Look at that. Off a bit of a cotton pole. Look at that. He's made his own. I better stand back a bit. His own homemade pole. Look at that. See what he can get. Get in there. And Shorty's pulled another 2 out. Keep watching. Andy, there's Mark and me. Here we go. Old-fashioned safe. And Mark will turn that over and we'll have a look. And Finn's got another 3 on his. Tracy had 1 on her magnet.
That magnet ain't coming off there, is it?
There you go. That magnet is well and truly stuck. For a free magnet found in the canal, I tell you.
You ain't gonna get it.
That will come off. Well,
Do you think?
but yeah, that'll. Oh, Tracie's just found the weird hammer. That'll get the magnet off. Great find. Wicked.
That will actually help get the magnet off.
There we go. Tracie's find.
Daddy, is my that?
Yours.
Yeah, you won't get swiped under it.
Right. I think it's going to take. I don't know. We'll come back to you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Finley gave me a go of my own magnet for once, and I think I pulled a cannonball out. I think it's a cannonball, well stocked with all the rest of the dangerous stuff. Here's the safe. Another little cash box out by Tracie's husband. Again, some really good finds coming out here, so there's a bit stacking up here. There's a bit over the other side for the scrap man as well. Tracie's pulled out some nice hammers and a shotgun shell as well. So, keep watching. There we are, all happy. And there's, look, oh, sorry mate, and Finn's sledgehammer, I forgot. There we go. Right, in a bit. And somebody's got their magnet stuck. Where is it? I can't see it on here. Oh well, hold on. There, come with you. There it is. Magnet stuck. There he is. Magnetic Rambo. Dude, he's pull up. Look at that. Oh, I don't know.
Don't ask me to pull the bridge down.
Oh, there's Tracie, still over the dabble. Still going. That safe's still wicked. And Andy's there as well. He's having a break. But that was a monster to come out. And Tracie and that got this as well. Looks like a plough for one of your gardens. They've donated that to our collection, so I don't know if I'll be doing much more, but marking them abs, so I'm just having a break. Keep watching. I pulled this out, covered in rust, and Mark's gave it welly with Tracie's new hammer thing.
Chipping hammer.
Whatever it is.
Rust remover.
We think it might be a big bullet.
I think it might be 20 mil, maybe some sort of aircraft or anti-aircraft one or something.
Well, take it home anyway, so
Looks like it.
good find again. There's Finn, all knackered out. There's Mark, and I think, well, he's kind of skull. I think we've got a record today in mega finds, right? Logue's big crowbar, Finn's mallet, Finn's whole thing. There's Mark's speedo dial thing. A little radio that Finn pulled out, the fork Logue pulled out, safe, Finn. How many cartridges?
35, I think. Okay.
There you go. 35 shotgun cartridges. Crazy. Few other bits and bobs. That is a grease gun made in England. My cannonball. A few little bits there. A pair of beads. Them pliers were Andy, Tracie's husband, and he pulled out this big weird plough thing. I got a little phone and a few bits and bobs. Another couple of fishing lures for Lee Horton, but the best finds. Finley's pack of 4. There you go. There's one butterfly knife. That one is a flick knife. Then you've got that lock knife with 2 blades. And then you've got that lock knife there as well. And there's Mark's knife. So, oh, and my cash box. The only decent thing I got. So, keep watching, like and subscribe, and share with your friends. Please share as much as you can. It helps our little YouTube channel. And it just goes to show you that all them cartridges were within what? An hour and a half? So there's got to be a gun in there. So we will be back at some point. Tracie and her husband Andy had a great day out as well. We got that big safe out as well. So that's just some of the stuff we've brought back to show you. There he is. Keep watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much.
Thanks to all the subscribers.
Yep.
And,
welcome to all the new subscribers as well. We really appreciate it loads.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we'll try our best in the next one. I don't think we'll beat this, but we'll try.
We'll be back.
See you soon. Said, if anybody knows what that is, we think it's a bullet. Not 100% sure, but we think it's the end of a bullet, that.
Might be a 20mm.
A 20mm, we're not sure. But if it, we don't know. But comment below if you know. But there's a knife haul for today. And as you can see, everything will get locked away safely as well. So keep liking, subscribing, and thank you very much.